I have a plan.
Oh no.
Oh, yes.
Oh dear.
Indeed. What if all of its supports just happen to... Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh, it's still holding on. What if we just... That actually helped it? Really? Oh, it still hasn't fallen. That's a bit of a fire. Let's just put that out real quick. Actually, you know what? I have a better way of dealing with this. Here. You see this lovely bridge?
Yep.
Oh, wow. What is that stupid tower doing?
Yeah, no.
Oh, whoopsies. Something else just blew up there. That's flying. Why is that flying? Oh, wait, that is a black hole. Look, all the parts are getting sucked up into it.
Oh shit.
Oh. So I actually did just blow up a black hole. Oh, God, don't shoot ourselves. Okay. God, that's so cool. Yeah, let's use the bigger explosions. Oh, God, okay. Yeah, that works. So if we just, like, carpet bomb the building through the black hole. Yeah, look at that. That's so cool. You can see all the parts, like, slowly being just siphoned up by it. Half of their building's on fire. I want to make sure the rest of it is. How's this stupid thing holding on? Whoa! It was like a half second of beauty right there. God. Oh, I love it. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. The dish. What if we just... Boop! Oh, it's so good. Let's get the everything revolver out. Let's shoot some good bullets. How about... the 4 bullets? Okay. Prop bullet. Ooh, shockwave. What if we use one of those? I actually have no idea what this does. Hmm? Oh. Okay, that was kind of mid. Let's try the rhythm bullets. That was actually pretty good. I really hope this song isn't copyrighted.
Probably.
Oh, the whole structure's starting to sag. Ooh, okay. Almost, almost. Really? There we go. Oh, that whole structure has fallen. I guess it's getting a bit annoying. Stop it. Okay, so. Continuing with the eco-terrorism. Or anti-eco-terrorism?
It's just terrorism at this point.
I mean, I haven't blown up that much stuff. Right?
You fucking helped people make a bomb!
That's...
That
fair.
is straight up terrorism.
I...
It's
yeah,
okay. Don't worry. You're a terrorist.
don't worry.
Exactly. There's nothing wrong with it.
I,
We're
I,
just
There's nothing
saying.
wrong with it. Don't be ashamed. I'm just, the sky is a certain color and you are a terrorist,
why is this... Uh-huh? What am I supposed to do with this information? Why is it beeping going off? Oh no, it beeps every time it sends a thing. Okay. I wonder if this glass is... Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, that works. What if I attach rocket boosters, or like vehicle thrusters, or whatever, to all of the rings and have them like push them into the station? Or even better, what if I just push the entire station?
Certainly sounds like a plan.
I'm sure nothing can go wrong with that. Okay. Oh, they did all ignite at once. Okay, that's a bit laggy. It didn't do anything. What if I just place a bunch on one of the rings, maybe, then? Hmm. Boop. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's see if this will even work. Okay, let's test this on, like, the smallest ring. And then, if the rocket boosters can't even get the smallest ring to move, then I know that this idea won't work at all. This is the greatest plan. If I can actually get it to work. That didn't change it an inch. How do... Excuse you? Wait. Wait. What? Huh? My plane is still somewhere out here in the depths of space. Oh god, it was not made for this. What if I just call it an airstrike right here? It's gonna miss. Okay, what if I call an airstrike on the... Yeah, that works. But it doesn't knock it out of alignment. What if I use the water cannon? Oh, I can actually see it flying! Huh. Okay, so what about just... It still rotates. It is frustratingly resilient. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it needs to sustain a certain amount of damage before it can be knocked out of alignment, I think. What if I just... Yeah, it just cleaves the station. Actually, that's a good idea. What if I just cleave the station in half? Whoa. Yeah, that works. Okay, and then we just line it up and let it rip. What the heck? That's... I don't think that's supposed to work.
But it did anyways.
Yeah. Like, look, how on earth is this beam still functional? Look how much of the station's been chopped away from it. Like... Yeah, like, look at this. I chopped off the bottom half of the beam. And it's still working. Oh, wait, no, because that... Oh, look at that. That was pixel perfect, that missing. Oh, that's so cool.
Jesus.
Yeah. And because I chopped higher, I think that... Wait, no, the entire... No, that did actually cut through the first time. Okay, wow. What if I just... Yeah, so breaking the containment here doesn't actually mess with it. It's just still moving. Yeah. And if I cut right around there... There we go. Let's try this one more time and just disintegrate everything. So let's first off try amputating parts of the station we don't need, such as whatever this thing is. There we go. Oh, the rings are going to get caught in the... It'll be fine. We're going to cut that off, and we're going to cut... That's goofy. Okay. Sure. There we go. If we just... back up and let it cut. Oh, that's so cool. Just everything right down the... I don't think that's how that's supposed to work, but if we just keep chopping, eventually it'll be fine. Okay, game's getting a little bit laggy now. Oh no, the rings are completely knocked out of alignment. And the beam's flickering? Oh no, it's flicking because it's cutting through stuff. Okay. Let's just... There we go. Like, actually just turned like scientific layers each part. I don't know what the term's called, but the... when you... cross-section, there we go. I turned the station to a bloody cross-section of itself. Well, that's about where I'm going to cut off the video for now, folks. That's about it for the Teardown content, at least for now. If you want more, then comment down below so I know, more what you guys want. Beyond that, I'm going to probably be making more Dead by Daylight content, and I might dip a little bit into Sea of Thieves. But for now, if you like what you saw, then please remember to like and subscribe, as it's still really going to help my channel grow, especially while it's still in its earlier days. I swear I'm not going to be reading off this portion that much more often. I still feel the need to get it out there. Every comment's can be read, every new subscriber noticed, and every like is going to be greatly appreciated. That's never going to change. But in the earlier days, it's going to be a lot more impactful. Anyway, for now, hope y'all are doing well. Peace.